Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by creating a sequence with your target frame size and frame rate. You need captions enabled, so import your transcript or audio now and add a captions item via File New Captions. Choose Open Captions for styling freedom. You should place the captions clip on its own track aligned to the dialogue. Once done, open the Essential Graphics panel to prepare a text layer style you'll reuse for highlighting. Make sure your timeline is zoomed so caption edges are easy to grab. Next, build the actual highlight. In Essential Graphics, create a rounded rectangle as the background and a text layer on top, matching caption font and size. You'll adjust padding, corner radius, and choose a contrast color. This is why open captions are preferred. Once the graphic looks right, nest it and duplicate for each caption, or use Replace with graphics on caption segments. This binds the visual highlight to each caption. Make sure the graphic sits on the same track, and that timing matches the finish by refining spacing, checking legibility at your delivery resolution, and rendering a short section to verify appearance on screen. Export either burned in using export settings captions as burn-in, or create a sidecar file if viewers need toggleable captions. If timing or alignment shifts, make sure snapping is on and nudge clips by frames. Mismatched frame rates often cause drift, so confirm sequence and export frame rates match. One quick troubleshooting tip: convert captions to graphics again if styles unexpectedly reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.